Hello again, it's Noob, and the good news is we get to play around with this absolutely gorgeous old Chubb brass padlock. In fact, all brass body and brass shackle. Bad news is it doesn't belong to me, and I really, really like it. This was kindly lent to me by my good friend Yukov, and it really is just a gorgeous lock. Who wouldn't want this in the collection? And it's definitely made by Chubb. It really does advertise that fact. Keyway. Well, it's quite like an American style, like Schlag style kick keyways. It's quite wide and open. Definitely can get an 18,000th hook, maybe even a 20 to 25,000th hook all the way from top to bottom. So that's what we're going to do. There's the key. Reasonable, if not too extravagant bitting. Towards the back, you've got a high and the low pins 5 and 4. Then you've got 3, 2, and 1. I believe it's a 5-pin lock. Opens with a very strong shackle spring, but it's a single locking pull. Look, single sprung locking pull. Quite rare to find those, actually. In fact, I don't even know if I even have a padlock which only has one locking pull, or at least doesn't at least have a cutout on this side. Okay, so I'm going to throw this in a vise and do some top of the keyway tensioning because I can, and why not? Doesn't hold in very well because it's quite a long shackle and quite short vice straws, but I'll support it with this hand while I tension it. 1.2mm pry bar in at the top. There we go. Quite firm tension, and yeah, let's have a go picking it. So just slide this back and forth to see what's binding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I believe that's pin 5. I'll click there. That's a much better, more positive click. Pin 4. By 4, 3. Pin 2 now binding. 2, good. Pin 1 now. Need quite firm tension on this. And there we go, pin 1, and we are open. Oh, there we go. So I wasn't expecting the shackle to open there. That's not actually that far to move it. But oh, there we go. Fully open. And yeah, just such a really, really lovely padlock. Gorgeous. Well, thank you again, Yukov, for lending this to me. Everybody else, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.